So this is how to clean your tongue. This is how to get rid of mouth odor. This is how to get rid of mouth infection. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So how are you doing today? I hope you are doing fine. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today's video will help a lot of people that have mouth odor, those ones that have dirty tongues, stubborn dirty tongues that refuses to go. You have been brushing it constantly, but there are those white films, like a plug that refuses to come out from your tongue. This will help to make it easier to come out and cleanse your teeth, cleanse your mouth thoroughly to get rid of any infections and germs. You want to know how to obtain a fresh breath, you want to know how to have a clean tongue, keep watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video to everyone. So let's go ahead and make this wonderful healthy remedy for you. So as you all know from the title, we are going to be making a remedy that will freshen your breath, get rid of dirty tongue, because most bacteria, they accumulate on the tongue, making you to smell awful. The tongue is actually very effective, okay? You have to cleanse it, you have to scrape it using the right ingredients. So clove here is highly full of antibacterial agents. It helps to fight bad bacteria in the mouth that causes cavities. It has antibacterial properties, as I said earlier, helping to improve oral health and reducing bad breath. So you have to get a glass like this. Make sure you use a clove powder. If it's the clove stick you have to turn the clove stick into a powder form by grinding it, blending it into a powdering form, just like this. You have to add half tablespoon of your clove. I'm going to add a very hot water into my clove powder, just like this. After that, you go ahead and mix it just like this. So after mixing it, it's very important to strain it out because of some particles. So it's time to add my apple cider vinegar, which is very important. Bacteria accumulate on the tongue and you need apple cider vinegar to cleanse it, to get rid of bacteria that causes those odor. This is going to keep your tongue very clean and fresh. It's going to make you smell fresh in there. It helps to prevent cavities. It helps to protect your skin against tooth decay. It helps to protect your teeth against plague and the rest. So adding apple cider vinegar will help to boost the effect. Why you shouldn't use hot water when mixing with apple cider vinegar? It has a way of destroying the good bacteria in apple cider vinegar. So make sure the water has cooled down very well before adding it. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar is all you need. So here we are. This is a very good solution, okay? I also have one other treatment to show you. That is what you should apply, when you are brushing your teeth to get rid of food particles and also to prevent food decay. So this is another way of making sure you have a fresh breath. So it's time to show you how to brush your teeth properly to get rid of dirty teeth, to get rid of plaque, to prevent cavity. So you have to make use of any toothpaste, okay? This is the one I'm making use of right now. So use any type, the gel, the white, any type. I'm also going to add salt. This is a table salt. Salt here is very effective. It will help to get rid of bacteria. It will help to kill those bacteria that makes your teeth to smell so bad or that causes plaque. Go ahead and brush your teeth. Then after that, I'll show you the next thing to do. So just make sure you brush your teeth, inner parts, and the outer parts. And also make sure you wash your tongue, because bacteria accumulate on your tongue and makes your tongue to smell so bad. Then after that, wash it off. Then you have to gargle with this to get rid of mouth odor. This will help to further get rid of all those plague, all those leftover foods that is very difficult to get rid of between your teeth, and also help to freshen your breath, cleanse the tongue properly. So you have to wash it off after gargling with it. This second method is very effective because it helps to freshen your breath instantly. It strengthens the teeth for those that have tooth fall. It prevents tooth decay, so many things, and kills bacteria, harmful bacteria in your mouth. You have to gargle with it like 3 times, wash it off, gargle again, wash it off for effective results. So you have to do this every day, and you'll be noticing improvement every day. Okay, so as I said earlier, make use of any toothpaste when brushing your teeth and your tongue, and they are all good. The salt is very important because it kills harmful bacteria. It's very important. It contains antibacterial properties. Alright, so just go ahead and make use of this and tell me how it is. Do not swallow this drink, okay? Yeah, do not swallow it. Do not give it to children because they may swallow it. Though it's not harmful, but because of some health reasons, the clove is spicy, okay? Most health problems, they don't recommend clove, so do not swallow it. Apple cider vinegar also is acidic, so just make sure you gargle with it, wash it off, and you are all good. Thanks so much for watching. Do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.